What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BMW X5 xDrive40i M Sport in this beautiful Skyscraper grey metallic. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys before we get right to the details of how amazingly beautiful this car looks. Blue calipers, check out the rear. Love those lights with the black, very nice indeed. The wheels are fantastic. Color of the car, love how this touches with the black stuff happening all over the place. It looks beautiful. Now let's start off with the front lights. Check out the lights, how beautiful they look. I like how angular they are, going like that. The DRLs, because your main headlights are inside right there together with your high beams. Beautiful touch. Check out the grille. Love how this satin finish is happening around the grille. Beautiful touch, beautiful design. BMW badging on top. You got these black stuff on the inside right here. It will open up. Okay, these things actually open up to improve on the coolings, and of course for aero as well it closes. But yeah, we got some intakes right here happening for air to flow through over there too. Very nice indeed. You got your amazing bumpers that have those actual holes for air to flow through on the left and on the right as well. So beautiful touch indeed. As you can see, you got your satin finish, you got your Skyscraper grey metallic paint, and also you have these gloss black finishes all over the front bumper. So it does create that very aggressive looking feel. So let's jump down to the the hood. So you have your design like elements for the front hood. As you can see, very angular, very sharp indeed. Beautiful. This one right here also similar. Check that out, how it's going this way, and it goes back right up and comes back right down. Check that out. Different angles, as you can see, for the front hood. The center is very clean and sleek, very nice indeed. So let's check out the wheels that we have on this car. Beautiful two-tone finish. I like the silver on the outside, the gray on the inside. The blue calipers are fantastic. Solid disc brakes on the inside. Beautiful touch. Your M badging right here as well. BMW badging right there. Beautiful. Okay, tire size for this would be 275/40 R21, guys, for the front. Amazing. You got your side design like for the vents, but it's just for cosmetic purposes. So it does look good. Black finish right here. Absolutely aggressive looking and nice indeed. To match against the Skyscraper grey metallic. Love how the lines go right down all the way across. Beautiful indeed. You have amazing side mirrors in also the same color as the body, of course. Turn indicators are located down there. You got this matte finish of a black on this side, and you got your chrome lining that goes all across, all the way to the back, goes all the way to the front, and you got the top part right here in this chrome-like look and appearance. So beautiful. The satin finish for the top. That's absolutely nice. Now let's open up the doors. Before that, you have your blind spot assist also here as well. Good. Now, check out the interior for the door side. You got your handles to open up, you got your unlock and lock, and also you have your window to wind up and down, speakers right here, Harman Kardon, compartment storage down there for you to keep your bottle, and also your ambient lighting located inside the door side. Beautiful. You got your M badging right here where the door side is for the side steps. And check out the interior. I love how they have this XX stuff happening all over the place. This quilted kind of a design. The leather is super solid and nice, comfortable to sit in. So let's jump in. This X5 badging with the left and the right side of stuff happening right here. Amazing lighting. I believe this function also as well for you to touch on it. But yeah, you have your compartment storage down there. You have your air vents right here to adjust. Air vents right here to adjust, and also here. So amazing looking interior. You have your wooden stuff, sort of like a finish for that part right there. So I'm not sure if... Okay, so to open up, you got to push back down, and then it's where it opens. You got your two cup holders right here. You also get your USB right there. You got your wireless charging over there. Compartment storage right there for your phone. 12-volt charging as well. Center, you have your swivel wheel to roll out all over the place. You got your media, home, map, telephone, navigation, back options, height adjustments for your car using this. Handbrake, you got your gear, you got your parking, you got your other driving modes on this side, you got your auto hold right here, you got your traction control and your parking sensors to turn it off if you don't wish the car to give you any warning while you're driving. Amazing screen-like design connects the front driver all the way to the center, so that's beautiful indeed. I love how the hazard lights are located right there as well to get the volume controls and things like that. So let's close that back. Amazing. So screen, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be sitting at the driver's seat in a while more, but in the meantime, this is me sitting comfortably at the passenger seat. Seat belts are in black. Beautiful. Now let's get right down and let's jump. Okay, so let's hop right into the rear part of the car, but before we get right in, let's check out the wheels that we have right here. So amazing wheel design. Once again, you got your blue calipers located right on the inside right there, solid disc brake on the outside, 315/35 R21 inch for the wheels, Continental tires, beautiful design, amazing. Check out the door side right here, handles to open up right here, window to up and down. You also get your speakers right there, you got your shade to pull up and to hook on just in case you want to block out the light that comes in. So you also get your handle to hold to close the door, ambient lighting's integrated to the door side, compartment storage down there, you got your M badging right here for the rear as well. Beautiful rear seats with all this quilted kind of a design like. We'll jump right in a while more. Let's take a seat and show you guys how comfortable this car actually feels. This is me sitting comfortably just as the front earlier. You have your other charging right here, another socket right here for you to perhaps have a tablet hanging or things like that. You got your glass roof right on top, but we will not be opening up the shade for today. You have storage space down here, air vents located right there. Legroom is fantastic, air vents to cool down your legs if you wish to. This is me sitting comfortably at the rear passenger over here as well. Seat belts, once again, black, nice. You get centerpiece right here. So I believe if I push this, opens up, and very nice indeed. Push that, opens up, close that back, cool. Let's close that, and that's awesome. Air vents right there, temperature adjustments and whatnot. Type-C charging, both of it to get your 12-volt socket right down there. Let's jump right in to the center. Sitting comfortably right in the center, so that's beautiful as well. Fabric light top, here also same. Fabric here also as well. It's quite thick, so you won't feel the heat coming in. Open the door. Let's get down. Now we will open up the rear boot and show you guys how the back looks like, but we will do that from the front door. In the meantime, let's check out the design for the rear. Now let's admire how beautiful this car looks at the rear, guys. You have your tail lights in this design, this black top finish right here. Amazing BMW wording right there at the side. You have your X5 badging in chrome-like design right here. You got your number plate holders that goes right in the center. BMW badging right there. You got your 360 camera located right there as well. Once again, this color really helps a lot. It looks very elegant, at the same time looks super aggressive. Let's check out the tailpipes for the exhaust right there. Actual exhaust pipes, beautiful. Again, you got the Skyscraper grey metallic. You got a different color right here to give some contra on the rear diffuser. xDrive40i, so that resembles the all-wheel drive that's on this car. Beautiful. Exhaust pipes again. Underneath, amazing look. So, petrol tanks right here. Let's close that back. Now, let's jump. Before we jump right in, check out the lights, the welcome lights that are at the door side. Amazing. So check out the driver's side right here. Let's start off with the doors. You got your unlock, you got your lock, you got your handles to open up. Memory seats located right here. Window adjustments right there together with your, the lock for the rear windows to not wind down. You got your side mirror adjustments, boot opening right here, which we will do in a while more. Compartment storage down here, ambient lighting located inside the door, so it's integrated into the doors. Beautiful. M badging right here. Seat adjustments to go back and forth, up and down. All of them are here. You have your sport pedal looking like pedals. Open up the front hood is this. You got to pull it twice. We will not be doing that in a while more, but your lights are already on. We can check out the hazard lights later on. But let's jump right in and let's be comfortable in this beautiful looking car, guys. Damn, what's going on, dude? Okay, so yeah, let's press home. Apps. Okay, cool. I love how the screen goes from here looking at me directly, and straight away it bends in this side, and I'm still comfortable to look at it because it's angling towards me and not angling straight. So that's kind of nice. I got my frameless mirrors right here. You got your lights located up there. You got your SOS call button as well over here, and your opening of the roof. But your key has to be with you in order for you to do that. That's why you open up your front side here to open up your glass roof on top. So that's kind of cool. Steering wheel, negative for downshift, positive for upshift. You got your wiper adjustments right here. You have your other lighting adjustments and your turn indicator right here as well. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, I believe these are for your other stuff to control for the after sales. But yeah, steering wheel is very sleek, very clean. Cruise controls are over here. Your other adjustments, volume up, volume down, answering your call and voice command and whatnot. You have your BMW M badging located right here as well. So that's kind of cool. Amazing look, amazing appearance. This is me sitting at the front driver's seat of the car, and very comfortable. Chair is very comfortable and nice. Head-up display located right down here. So that's beautiful. Now let's check out the rear. See if I can open up that. Okay, so we've got to press that down and the boot automatically opens up already. So as you can see, amazing looking boot. Storage space is absolutely huge. Now we can fold down the rear seats to show you guys the space, but amazing 12-volt socket right here and other settings that you can do to adjust. Now let's try fold this down. So amazing indeed. Now let's go all the way right there to fold down the rear seats to show you guys. Let's put that down. Check out the space, amazing indeed for a car like this. Once again, the color of this car is really helping a lot. It's absolutely helping a lot because it has tons of angles that you can look at to admire how beautiful this car actually is. Check it out, man, dude. What's going on? Amazing storage for you to keep tons of stuff. That whole, how to say this, that so-called dividing sheet for you to cover the windscreen part can actually come off for you guys to store away, so you can keep much more higher boxes to go right in, you know. So that's kind of cool. Easy to take off, but unfortunately I'm not going to do that right now. But yeah, you got other storage space down here. Yep, your other hooks right there, and amazing look indeed. Amazing look indeed, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to Ara Damansara Saim Dabi, where they have tons and tons of cars all over the place, man. Tons of cars. Beautiful layout. And yeah, if you'd like to find out more about their cars, do head down here and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.